magandang hapon guys. Nagluto po ako ng chicken adobo guys na may yubabs. Hinaluan natin guys. So magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Shout out sa ating mga kabayang OFW mga guys. So for today's video guys, ayan, maaraw ngayong maulan ngayong araw guys. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo mga guys. Ayan, tumatawag na ating commander guys. Ang ating commander tumatawag. Si Commander Milani. Yes, Commander. No, lakas ang ulan, grabe. Kumukulog, gumuguhit. So nag-vlog ako. Ayan ang aking vlog. Nagluluto ako ng chicken yubabs. Chicken at yubabs. Ayan, vlog, dalawa yung vlog ko ngayon. Isang camera. Ayan mga guys. Ayan. Dalawa yan. Nag-improve na ating ngayon, improvise ang ating sa pag-vlog. Meron ating cellphone, meron tayong GoPro. Ayan. Yung GoPro pala yan, GoPro. Ayan guys, nasama ang aking commander guys sa aking pag-vlog. Ayan, aking asawa guys na maganda. Masimilan niya. Ayan guys, kumukulo ng ating chicken adobo na may kasamang yubabs. Ayan guys, pakita ko lang dito guys ang aming paligid. Simpleng paumuhay lang guys, simpleng bahay lang guys. Ayan. So update lang guys, mahaba na itong nako. Mahaba na ng aking record. Mahaba ng aking record guys. Update na gamaya guys. Ayan. Tutunog na aking mamaya sa pag mukbang guys. Mag-mukbang tayo mamaya guys. Kaya siguro kunti lang aking nanonood sa akin kasi walang mukbang. Mag-mukbang tayo mamaya guys. 2 minutes. Ayan. Kumukulo-kulo na ng ating... Kumain na kayo ma? Grabe, sarap talaga. Kahit walang basta may tuyo, suka, may mamasita, oyster sauce, tapos may magic na pinasarap pa, lalong sumarap. Nakita pala.
Hindi ko pa tapos.
Bakit?
Nandun na ako.
Ayun, ang bihira. Ayos lang itong anak ni Milan niya talaga sa panganay, hindi pa tapos daw.
What's that?
Pwede siya tapos, di pa daw tapos magluluto, nagugutom na daw siya. Sarap. Chat mo siya si Lute. Kaya yung ulam dito, di kakain pag walang ulam yun doon. May halo ng yubab doon tsaka chicken. 75%. So guys, update lang kayo guys sa aking ginagawang pagluluto guys. So sa pagmukbang na guys, kita-kita tayo. Ayan. Ayan guys, update lang maya guys kasi humaba na. Ayan guys, luto lang ating adobong chicken at yubabs. Ano kaya ko to, ito title sa description. Adobong yubabs. Ayan mga guys. Ayan guys, maglagay tayo ng vinegar. Vinegar, kita ba? Vinegar. Ayan. Bigay tayo ng 3 cup ng vinegar. 1, 2, 3. Maglagay tayo ng tuyo guys ng 4 na cup. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, pakuluan natin yan guys. Ihalo-halo natin. Ayan na mga guys. So maglagay din tayo ng pampadagdag aroma. Maglagay tayo guys. Ayan. Ang paminta. Ito. Maglagay tayo ng flour guys. Ang padagdag ng aroma, pampabango. Sarap sana ito guys kung may Coke tayo or Sprite. Wala tayo guys. Taste muna tayo nito guys. Dahil wala tayong budget. So ayun guys. So update ko lang kayo maya guys. Ayan guys, ang ating chicken adobo at yubabs na pinaghalo guys. Ayan, kumukulo-kulo na guys. Hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo guys yung paghiwa at saka paghiwa ng mga panakot or pampalasa. So, diretso na to guys. Ayan. Kita ba? Ayan mga guys. Ay, makita. Ayan guys, yan. Kumukulo-kulo na guys ang ating chicken adobo at yubabs. So, tikman natin ang lasa guys, kung anong malasa, malinamnam ba. Yummy. Napakasarap mga guys. Talap-talap guys.
Light water ng gulay. Yung mga broccoli natin. Parsley. Yung strawberry namin. Napakahalaga ito pag summer. Pero dahil hindi summer, winter, yung kale namin ay lumalaki na. Masarap din po
Nagpupula din tayo, guys.
Healthy po, lalo na po kung magsinabaw kayo. Perfect na perfect po. Buntis ako. Ang dami naming pananim na gulay. Laking tipid na hindi na namin kailangan bibili sa supermarket. Pero minsan, pag may mga marketing, bumibili talaga kami doon ng mga gulay to support the locals na din po. Dito, mayroon po akong i-harvest. Yung Chinese cabbage po namin, ibibigay ko po sa aming manok. Marami
Ano
kami
yan?
ditong broccoli and
Isang din ko pa
cabbage.
ngayon.
One day, bago lang po.
One day.
Para sa manok. Dahil kung gusto kong kainin yung nasa animal ko talaga sa
Ano yan?
garden bed. As you can see po guys, maraming damage. Minsan kinakain po ito ng snail. Pero okay lang kapag share din po tayo sa snail. 4 lang naman po ang manok namin ngayon na natira namin after po sa atake po ng pusa. Kaya sapat na po ito, isa lang.
Low on data? Don't sweat it. Get back online instantly and save up to 5% on load and mobile data promos when you buy on the Merry.app.
We moved to another house, we need to throw rice.
Throw rice at each other?
No.
What we call it fun?
Do you guys eat that when you move?
If you're rich. If you're rich.
We have this called Helpers, and it's not expensive. $200 per month. Wow.
Also
the way home, I ordered marasanggo. Yeah. Wait, so Nancy, are you living on your own right now?
Oh,
Kain tayo guys.
I used to live in a
Kain
dorm.
tayo mga dilong
and
kabayan.
then I lived alone after that for a few years. Yeah, and now I'm living with my parents.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
lucky.
What about you?
I'm living alone.
Oh, you're living alone?
Ayun naman sa kamera.
Yeah. Wait, I'm living by myself right now. Nancy lives with her family. You said you live in a dorm.
Yeah.
I live with my husband. I have my baby.
Oh.
Baby is like almost 3 years old. He's so cute. Yeah, but he speaks like a 5-year-old. What's his main language? English with me and my husband. But since I was living with my in-laws, my Korean mom and dad, but they're not really from here. They're from America, but they just wanted to come over here because they have their first grandchild.
Right.
Yeah, so they moved back for their grandchild. They moved over here just to see and take care of the baby. And especially when you're working, you have nobody to take care of the baby. Because in the Philippines, we have this called helpers, and it's really easy to hire helpers, but here it's kind of difficult.
Yeah, and
Oh,
it's
nice.
I think they have what they call here, I don't know what you call it, like emo,
Emo?
Yeah.
where they come once a week.
Control how many times they come, but
Yeah.
they hire.
So thank you so much sa panonood guys.
They just stay.
Maraming salamat. Shout out sa aking mga bagong subscribers. Shout out sa idol.
Oh, now I think
Bye-bye.
that way $200 per month.